Hey, welcome to lesson number 1. So what is user interface design? Well, if you do a Wikipedia search, you'll get something like this. User interface design, or user interface engineering, is the design of websites, computers, appliances, machines, mobile communication devices, and software applications, with the focus on the user's experience and interaction. And that's a bit of a mouthful. A shorter definition would be this. User interface design represents the means by which you can communicate with a virtual entity, whatever that is. Either it's a website or the operating system on your mobile phone, or simply the interface or the buttons on your ATM machine. Every one of these allow you to communicate with a device and do certain tasks. Let's take a website, for example. Its purpose is to offer information to you, the user. You visit a website because you're looking for something. For example, you visit Wikipedia because you're looking for a specific topic, just like I did here, user interface design. Or maybe you're looking for information about a certain company, like the Envato website. So you visit this to find out what it's all about, find out about the sites, the community, how to get in touch with that company, and so on. The website you visit then has certain elements that help you reach your goal. It has a menu, like here, that allows you to access different pages. It might have a search box, like Wikipedia does. And it has a structure that makes sense visually, and it makes it easy for you to scan that page and find out what you're looking for. For example, on this Wikipedia page, I have a clear visual hierarchy. And visual hierarchy basically means how a page is structured and which elements are the first to be noticed. So right here, I can see that right away that my main content is this white background container on the right side of the page, and it contains a big title, and then as I scroll down I can see smaller titles, I can see separators. On the left side I can see a sidebar which kind of blends with the rest of the page, as well as the footer. So the conclusion you can draw from this is that this content, the footer and the sidebar, are not directly linked to my main content right here. Imagine if instead of this big title you would have a normal text like this, or instead of these you would have normal text, or if the separator lines would disappear, well, you wouldn't have a visually appealing structure. You would struggle to make sense of the page, to make sense how this information is structured within the page, and that's basically visual hierarchy. The Envato website also has a great visual hierarchy, so you can see some big titles here followed by smaller text. The sections are clearly delimited by color and also by these big titles, so it's very, very easy to navigate. Now, user interface exists pretty much anywhere you can think of. The technology has evolved a lot in the past few years, and it's already part of our lives on so many levels, so it's important to learn about it. This course will only focus on user interface design for the web, but some of the principles I'll talk about actually apply to the larger concept of user interface. The first principle is know the end goal. That's coming up in the next lesson.